porcelain tile. You can tell it's porcelain tile if I bang it with a drill. So what we're going to do is going to drill a hole for a porcelain tile. Without any guidance, obviously, it would slip on the tile, so we've got nowhere for it to go. So use the guide plate, start to drill your hole. Now the first thing is that once you started your hole, it will self-guide from that point on. But you can see in the porcelain, dust is building up, heat as well. So we drop some water onto the tile and basically start to drill our hole. So that's our hole into our porcelain tile. That's the first one done, and the core just comes out with a core ejection slot. So that's a porcelain tile drill. As you see, there was no dramas, and if I put the plug out onto the tile, that's your porcelain tile drilled. Okay, still using the same core. Now we're going to move over to the solid granite worktop. This is a solid granite kitchen worktop, and we're going to show that we're going to drill it over the edge so we can see how far we're going down. So straight onto the granite worktop. Again, it's the same thing. Guide plate just over the granite worktop, straight in to make your start. And once you started into the granite worktop, guide plate comes off, self-guides. Again, the heat is building up. This is where we need the water. Put the water onto it and then watch the drill bit go down. So that's our hole for our granite block. So this is a solid granite block. Next thing we're going to do, we're still using the same core drill. That's your granite block. This is slate. So this is slate coming up next. So we've drilled a porcelain tile, we've drilled a granite block. This is our slate. So if you're drilling slate, it's very flaky. And what you do, back on the thing, the edge again. So this is our slate, powdery. Apply the water, drop the water on there. So what we've got there, basically this is our slate, a piece of slate drilled over the edge so you can see see the way this is forming. Again, we haven't changed core. This is the slate core. So that's the slate core there. So that's 3 things drilled. It's the same technique, onto the glass bars. Okay, once you started into the glass, then basically it's turning it into powder. And basically So that's a hole into a glass vase. So it drills through glass. And then for the last challenge, we've got a bottle of wine. So we open up the bottle of wine, let's discharge the red wine into the thing. So that's your red wine into there. There's your red wine bottle. Okay. So let's stick it on here, get our guide plate, and let's go for a bottle of wine. Okay, again, same thing. Once you've got a start into the tile, use your sponge, keep it cool, don't let it overheat. And if I take that off, you can see that basically, there we are going through the bottle of wine. So what we've done is we've drilled a hole through a bottle of wine, and this core has basically done porcelain tile, granite worktop, slate, bottle of wine and a flower pot. Job done.